Welcome to today's lesson on large language models, often referred to as LLMs. We are diving deep into one of the most transformative technologies in the field of AI. These models aren't just about processing language. They're about understanding and generating text that is indistinguishable from that written by humans. Large language models, or LLMs, are advanced neural networks that have been trained on diverse and extensive text datasets. This training enables them to grasp the subtleties of human language, making them incredibly versatile for various tasks. Imagine having a conversation with a chatbot that responds just like a human, or reading an article written entirely by an AI that you couldn't distinguish from one written by a seasoned journalist. This is the power of LLMs. They are used widely in creating seamless chatbot interactions, crafting compelling content, and providing translation services that consider cultural and contextual nuances. Some of the most advanced models in this category include GPT-3 and GPT-4, which have significantly pushed the boundaries of what AI can achieve in natural language processing. Exploring the landscape of LLMs, we encounter several standout models, each with unique strengths. GPT models from OpenAI, including GPT-3, GPT-4, are perhaps the most well-known, celebrated for their ability to generate text that is both complex and contextually appropriate. Other notable models include Gemini, known for its dual capabilities in multiple languages, and Mistral, which focuses on efficient, context-aware content generation. Then there is Llama, adaptable and nuanced in handling sophisticated topics, and Claude, which excels in conversational AI, providing responses that are not only relevant but also deeply insightful. So LLMs are more than just technological marvels. They are reshaping how we interact with digital content and paving the way for more intuitive human-machine interactions. Their development marks a significant milestone in the journey toward machines that can truly understand and communicate with us on a human level. So, thank you for joining this exploration of large language models. These technologies are at the forefront of modern AI applications, and understanding them is key to appreciating the full potential of AI. So thank you for joining me in this lesson.